Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the monthly time frame chart of gold. On the monthly time frame, gold is still not in downward trend, but we are going to see its highs and lows. Now, this was the high 2148 and this was the low of the market on the monthly basis, and it was in the same month. From this low 1973 it went up to 2148 in the same month, and after this month, the January, it remained bearish but within the very short range. And now this is the February, a new month, second month of the year. Now let us move to the weekly time frame and watch here. On the weekly time frame, we have this high and this low, but what we see here, actually, first this was high, then this was the low of the market. In the monthly time frame, I did not understood this, but when we watch this on the weekly time frame, this was the high of the market. First the market went for this high, then in the exactly the second week came down here. So this was the high of the market, this was the low of the market, and then we went here for this lower high. On the weekly time frame, this way lower high is not broken yet. This volatility was just for 2 weeks. After these 2 weeks, how many weeks the market is in range? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the 7 weeks. Now, this was the high, and this is the lower high, and this is the low of the market. So, on the weekly time frame, the market is not showing that it is more bullish now. Now we will have to watch the shorter time frames for understanding its trend, the emerging trend. Now on the daily time frame, the high, low, this was the uh, lower high, and this was the low. This low is not broken, but this high is also not broken, and the market is coming down right now on in the daily time frame. Now let us move to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, now this was the spike to the upward on the initial jobless claims, and this is the downward move uh, at NFP. And before this downward move was on the FOMC. FOMC sent it downward. The reason was quite clear, that they are not going to uh, decrease the rates in March also. So FOMC sent this downward. Initial jobless claims. It was surprising that all the most of the indicators, the fund data indicators are positive for USD, but the initial jobless claims came negative for USD, and this was the spike from that initial jobless claims that was high. And I was also surprised to see that when GDP of the last quarter was positive, many indicators for USD were positive. The reason why initial jobless claims or jobless claims is so negative for USA and USD, I one thought was in my mind, that is AI is taking over uh, humans in USA first? I was thinking like that because the GDP is higher and all the indicators are higher. They are not going to raise the rates, and the people are being jobless, and they are claiming jobless claims. So what is happening there? But the solution came after the this downward move at the NFP. They have created too much jobs, higher than forecasted, too much high, and then gold has come down. So now basically, watching these all factors, now this is in downtrend. Gold, I think, now in downtrend. Though on the monthly and weekly, the lows are not broken, but it is an emerging downtrend. Now, what to see here? Where do we to sell from now? Now, I think where the market is right now, this is a 239. I think the 240 is the uh, sell, a good sell. But as this will be a new week, then we will have to watch on the weekly time frame to find out the sell level, because this will be the new week. So in this week, this is rejected already and not gone up to this level. So this already we have the rejection on the weekly time frame. So for sell, we will have to watch the daily time frame to find out the daily time frame level or 4 hour time frame level. On the daily time frame, it is rejected, and the last day was also bearish. So I don't think that we have any. Now on the daily time frame, this has been the now we will have to watch the as support also. Now watch here now, because we have to analyze and watch all the things. Now here we have, this has been very important level, that is which one is 2027. This is very important level on the daily time frame for since November 23, when this level was broken to the upward and the market went and fall down. So now this level, then after coming, this was here, it was resistance, here it was support, here it was support, broken to the downward, then it was resistance for many days, broke, and now have come. Whether it is the retest of this level, is it going upward? Though I am bearish right now on the gold now, but we cannot ignore many things. Technicals are also very important, though data shows that this is going to be downward. But now neither we have this clearance on monthly level nor on daily time frame. We have the weekly clearance for downward trend. Now on the 4 hour time frame, let us uh, watch here what is happening here. On the 4 hour time frame, this low is broken. So now let me show you that this was the low of the market, and this low has this high, and after this high, this low is broken. So on the 4 hour time frame, it looks like weekly and 4 hour time frame shows its downward trend, and monthly and daily time frame uh, is otherwise. Monthly doesn't show anything, that it just shows that is not bullish anymore, but it doesn't show that it is bearish. And gold on the daily frame is on support, though on the 4 hour time frame it shows a bit support, but the low is previous 4 hour low is broken. This was the low of the market, this was the high of the market, and this is low is broken to the downward. So it is high probability that the market will keep going down, coming down. But now we have to find the sell level. Of course, it is not. It doesn't look that the gold will up go too high again back to this level. Now we see after this low, this is the high, and after this low, what I don't think that it will be broken, because if we consider the gold downward, then we have to find the lower high after this. Which one is the possible lower high? This also shows here this level now 240. I think near this level we have here is the level on the 4-hour time frame, but we will have to confirm this selling level. Now 4-hour time frame, this has been the resistance here, resistance, and now this level is broken and it is expected to be retested to T40. But for this we will have to go more deep to the lower time frames. On the 1-hour time frame, what level do we have? Now on the 1-hour time frame, if we watch, then we have levels level somewhere here. We have the level here. This is the level on the 1-hour time frame. This was resistance here, resistance here. So we do expect the market to come to this level also. Now it is a bit comprehensive level checkup, but it is very important. So stick, watch this complete video. You may be able to decide this one. Now for this, we will have to move to the 15 minutes time frame also. On the 15 minutes time frame, we have the same level, this level. Resistance here, and now it is expected to go once again to up to this level. But I think it is better to go to the 5 minute time frame. We can excellent level on the 5 minutes. We are closer. I think if we watch the 5 minutes, then we are at exactly at the level. If we watch 5 minutes, then this is a nice sell here. Watch here. On the 5 minute time frame, here when the market falls or goes in the direction, in one direction. Now this was the heavy fall. It was retested and then came down. Now even one we have bullish 5 minutes here also, but I think the 242, because we cannot exactly tell the give the position for entry. Now 242 or 248, both of the levels are excellent, but as this will be a new week, I think 248. Now whether we miss this trade or we are going to get this trade, but if you want to wait, then 248, because after entering at 248 we will have the SL at 257, because in all conditions it is better to have a stop loss here. But if you want to put, because if this level is broken, then what we can say, this could be the stop loss 252. Now I am going to explain. We have two entry options for sell, 242 or 248, and we have the two stop loss. If you want to put the SL nearby, then is 252 and 2052 and 2057. Either enter here SL above this level. If you want to enter here, then SL above this level. These are all the options that I feel like according to the level strategy. But and please be safe, trade safely, uh, save yourself from higher risks, and what matches according to your strategy, do accordingly. But now I am removing these levels, and watch here, this is very concentrated 5 minutes. So I think the market could come to this level. So I am going to suggest this for entry, and if you want to risk low, then SL above this level. Either if you want to put the safe SL, then put above this level, and you may use the Shimala lot. So either enter at this level or even at this level on the 5 minutes, if we see to the left side. So these are the entry levels. So 250, this will be a new week. So after all, the last my analysis is 250 for 250 for sell and 250 8. This is 2057 2058. So I think the level that we have for SL, that is 2058. This is SL, and for entry 2050. Now 0.894 the level that we have. So it is better to be get entry at 2050, I think, because now I'm going to round figuring it, then you may find it quite comfortable. Now I'm removing this. Then we will watch the levels for. Now it's all up to you. I have tried my best to explain the things, even up to the 5 minute levels. Now this is entry for sell, and we have this level here, uh, 2058 for SL, and entry 2050. Now for take private options, we will have to move at the higher time frames. And now we are going, first of all, going to the 4 hour time frame. And now, first of all, let me remove these horizontal lines that we don't need anymore. For we now, let me show you here. Now on the 4 hour time frame, I think the 2030 is the first TP that is already we have available here. Now, for tech private options, the second TP be at 2040 2009. So I will make it round figure. Now 1973 be the also the tech profit, but we need one more tech profit option between at this level also. We have this level, that is 1940 1994. So if we make this a bit exactly at the 1990. So now this is the 1990. We have this tech private option. Now what we have now, entry at 2050, sell at 2050, SL 2058, TP1 2030. I have to make these all the figures round. Now this is 2030 is the first TP. This is first TP 2030. Second TP it is 2009. This is the second TP. And now let me, this is 1990 is round figured, and 1973 also be rounded to make things looking good, nice. Now 1973 is the which one TP? First, second, third, and fourth is the 1973. Now let me put the short position, short position, short position, short from here, short from 2050. Now let me adjust this one, and I want to make it, we could know where we had put this level. Now this is the level, but I want to put the 4 hours where the market is right now, because we could know that when we put the this position where the market was, and when this moves, we see where it goes to. Now on the, let me set this on the 1 hour time frame to put at the exact level, adjust this here. So we have here at 2058. Now once again we are moving to the 4 hour time frame and adjust this here. So this is the short position, and these are the take profits, and I will be making a short also on this after uploading this. In the short, these levels will be typed will be written in text and also with a new recorded voice. Now, like my this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.